Even one piece, to wrap up very beautiful, to put inside the image, it makes it very, very holy. Because these beings embody the very images that is represented. So it says here in Lama Chopa, on that basis, I give you guys sometimes hair or sometimes nails from high lamas to keep inside your stupa, or to keep inside your images, or to even wear. Myself, I have the holy hair of His Holiness Kyabje Sangren Rinpoche. His goatee. His goatee, he would stroke it every day, and a lot of it would fall down. And when the goatee would fall all over the place, I'd ask his permission to collect it. So I'd be on my all fours, and I'd be collecting his goatee. You see, you can't just go there and rob his hair. You need to ask permissions to be blessed. So I used to go to Sangren Rinpoche, and I would point at it, and I go like this. Then he would nod to me. So every time I pulled his hair from the floor, there was so much, he would nod to me. So I have a lot of Rinpoche's goatees, and I kept it. So that goatee, some of it I've distributed, some of it I keep with my pictures at my altar because that's my most precious item. Some I put inside the stupa, Rinpoche's goatee. Kyabje Sangren Rinpoche. This is with the Dalai Lama's clothes, Pabong Rinpoche's whole clothes, Trijang Rinpoche's relics. I have many, many holy items in here. But the things I have in here, I've been carrying around for over 25 years. And some of these things, like I have a Hayagriva chakra in here that was made by Sangren Rinpoche himself, by his own hands. And everything was drawn on it by him. So this was given to me. I remember he made 3 chakras. They had different sizes. And he put it on his hand. And he went like this to me. So I went, and he went like that. So I grabbed the biggest one. And he laughed and laughed and laughed because there was a big one. I thought it was bigger, it's more powerful. Greedy, isn't it? So I grabbed the big ones in here. So I have this beautiful Hayagriva chakra by Sangren Rinpoche, which he made. Even the letter he wrote himself. And his goatee is in here. The mantras, the Dalai Lama's clothes, Trijang Rinpoche's relics, Pabong Rinpoche's clothes. I have many, many holy items in here. And some mantras. I even have the holy Vajrayogini mantra written by Sangren Rinpoche's own hand, which in the future I want to reproduce and roll as mantras to put inside statues. All is inside of here. So that's why during talk sessions, I have people put this on their head as a blessing. May your wishes come true. So this stupa is new, but the items inside I've been carrying with me for many, many years, precious. Everything else can lose, but not this in my sadhana book. Everything else can be replaced. It's not irreplaceable. So I have Sangren Rinpoche's hair, and that one, you're going to have to cut my head off to get out of me. I'm sorry I'm attached. but I'm just kidding. I have many hairs from very high lamas. So it says here, even a single hair from your pores is for us to feel the merit more highly praised than all the Victoria Buddhas of the 3 times and 10 directions. That's my root guru. So that's why to have something like that is very powerful. And to have our guru's hairs, if people want to steal it and do magic on it, good luck. Good luck. Because when they try to do magic when the hair Setrap comes out, cannot. Have you seen Setrap when he's not in good mood? You guys can take a look in the back. So, even black magic cannot. So Lama's hairs and Lama's holy objects and clothes and all that is very, very precious. Very, very precious. That's why that's on the basis. Sometimes people buy big statues or really make a lot, whatever. I give a little bit. A little bit. I think I have Geshe-la's hair, right? Is it? Oh yeah, I have Geshe Tsurim Gyaltsen's hair too, which I distribute to people. One time when he shaved, I grabbed it with his permission. I've had that for over 20 years. I also distribute that. So it's quite precious, quite precious. Okay? So when we recite that, that's on the basis of what I put inside the statues, in the stupas. So don't think, oh, Tsem Rinpoche is making it up. Don't think I'm cutting my hair off and putting it in and telling you it's Khensa Rinpoche's. I wouldn't dare do that. You put my hair in the stupa, bad luck for you, bad luck for me, bad luck for the stupa, bad luck for everybody. You put Khensa Rinpoche's hair, good luck. Very good luck. But it's only by permission. So don't try to run to your guru's bedroom and look for hairs on the pillow. You won't find it. That's why some gurus are very compassionate. They leave their hair very long for people. They don't cut it short so that you can, have hair. Some gurus are very compassionate. I won't tell you who. Some new people sitting there going, this sounds very suspicious. He doesn't sound compassionate at all. He sounds like a big ego. I do have a very big ego. But it can still fit in this room.